Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming tongue weight in the 10 to 15% range. This prevents under or overloading the sway system. Once done, park level, chalk both trailer and tow vehicle and disconnect lights for safety. Next, you fit the sway bar brackets to the trailer frame at specified spacing. Use the supplied bolts and torque to spec. Make sure the bar sits centered and level. These first steps position components correctly, so adjustments later will be effective and predictable. You now connect the end links between the sway bar and axle or equalizer. Do this with the correct hardware and new lock washers. Once attached, adjust link length so the sway bar is neutral and level at the trailer's normal ride height. This ensures the bar engages progressively rather than abruptly. Make sure to tighten all fasteners to the manufacturer torque and use cotter pins or thread locker where recommended. Doing this sets proper leverage and prevents binding during suspension travel. You finish by road testing. Drive at normal speeds and perform gentle lane changes to assess sway control. Once done, tune by increasing preload or shortening links for more resistance, or back off for forgiving handling. Small changes matter. Make sure to retorque after a short break-in run. If you hear clunking or feel binding, stop and inspect clearances, worn bushings, misaligned links, or loose fasteners. Addressing those common problems quickly keeps the system reliable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.